Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chicken. I am back with day 13 of the March Crochet Life Hacks series. So it is the middle of March and things are getting a little bit warmer, but it's still a little chilly out. And so this might come in handy even now. So this has kind of a fancy name. It's called the Sheep Draught Excluder. I've never heard it called that before, but it's one of those things that you put in front of the door where there's the little crack between the door and the floor, and there's a draft that comes in. So this just stops the draft. So they're really very handy, and they do keep your house pretty cozy, warm, you know. This is an Etsy pattern, and it is available for I almost said 15. That's not what I meant. $5.17. And it is a downloadable pattern. There are lots of pictures here, so I'm just going to take a couple of screenshots for you so you can take a peek. I think this is absolutely adorable. I love these little sheep. They all just look so happy. And I think that they just all look very individual. I love this idea. This skill level is listed as easy, so that's good. They say it takes about 10 to 12 hours. And I never understand that really. Like, how can you determine how long it's going to take? I think that would depend on how experienced a crocheter you are. But you do have to have your basic crochet skills. Okay, so you're going to need to use chain stitch, double crochet. You need to learn how to work in the round, increasing and decreasing. But those are all simple basic skills that most crocheters already have. So if you are interested in making this adorable pattern, just click in the link in the description box below. It's going to take you right to my Pinterest board. Then all you have to do is find the picture, click on that, and it's going to take you right to this Etsy page where you can download this adorable pattern. Let me know how it works out for you in the comments below. Do you use I never know what they actually call them. I never heard them called a draw excluder, but a draft eliminator. I don't know what they're called. I don't know. Anyway, do you use one at your house? I've used them in the past below, and they can be very helpful. Okay, guys, well, until tomorrow's great idea, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and keep on hooking. Okay, bye.